In this video, we are learning the counting principle. The counting principle says that you can multiply the number of choices to find the total number of possibilities. So, the counting principle says that you have to multiply the number of choices to find the total number of possibilities. Now I will give you a few examples to understand this. Example 1. Lisa is making a care package for a friend. There are 8 snacks and 6 blankets to choose from. How many different care packages can Lisa make using exactly one of each item? So there are 8 snack choices and 6 blanket choices. So you have to multiply them. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. So Lisa can make 48 different care packages. Example number 2 is that Bob is planning a workout. He needs to choose one of the 8 cardio routines and one of the 5 resistance routines. For the time of day, Bob has 2 options that work with his schedule. How many different workouts can Bob plan? There are 8 cardio choices, 5 resistance training choices, and 2 time choices. So multiply 8 times 5 times 2 to find the total, that's 80. So Bob can plan 80 different workouts. The last example, example number 3, is that Ash is making an ice cream sandwich. There are 7 types of sandwich cookies and 6 types of ice creams to choose from. How many different ice cream sandwiches can Ash make using exactly one of each item? There are 7 sandwich cookies choices and 6 ice cream choices. So you have to multiply 7 times 6 to get 42. Ash can make 42 different ice cream sandwiches. I hope you liked this video and please don't forget to subscribe to Saima Academy on YouTube.